Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different from the rest of my videos and I'm really excited about that. I'm going to take you guys along with me on my morning. As you guys may or may not know, I am a stay-at-home mom. My son is currently 6 months old and I can hear him stirring around in his crib right now, so I try to get up as soon as I hear that, do a little self-care, get myself together before I get him out of his crib. Today's video is sponsored by Proven Skincare and I've been really happy with this product. They've really allowed me to Marie Kondo my skincare routine. So with using Proven, I'm down to only 3 products, which is a huge improvement. After I took their online quiz, which was so in-depth, way more in-depth than anything that I've ever done, except for maybe going to a dermatologist, they sent me 3 products which were specifically made and formulated for me. And they even took into account where I live so that they could make sure that the formula they sent me was compatible with the weather here. Not only that, but they don't test on animals, they don't use any harsh chemicals, and they even asked me if I was breastfeeding, which is so important to me. Proven has shown me that I don't need a bunch of serums and creams cluttering up my bathroom. They've included all of that stuff in the 3 products that they sent me. So if you guys are interested in Proven, there is a link in the description box below for 10% off your first purchase. Practicing some self-care in the morning just allows me to be a little bit more on. It makes me feel better about myself since I don't have a lot of time to do my hair, my makeup, and it's just really easy to let these things go when you're taking care of a small child and usually putting someone else first.
Hi, sweetie. Hi.
First thing we usually do is get a diaper change and do a little nursing and just spend a little time together waking up. When we come downstairs, we always let the light in, open all of the blinds, and let the sun shine in. Even on rainy days, cloudy days, we love to let light into our house. It puts us in a good, positive mood. If you guys follow me on Instagram at Belle and Cotton, you may have seen that I got on the train with the whole celery juice thing first thing in the morning. However, I do it every other morning now because it was just kind of stressing my system out a little bit too much. So this morning I'm just having some iced coffee. My husband and I have gotten into a really good habit of having a vegetable with every meal. So this morning I'm having a piece of toast with a fried egg and then a piece of chicken sausage with spinach and sliced tomatoes. We just started solids with Miles a couple months ago. So most mornings he gets a little bit of oatmeal with milk and a fruit mixed in. Today it is apples. Currently, it is the end of summer, so mornings on the balcony are really nice and cool. The sun is on the other side of the house, so it's really nice to come out here and just have breakfast together.
Go.
Potty. After a little playtime, another diaper change, and some nursing, before I know it, it's time for Miles to go back to sleep for his first nap of the day. During this time, I really like to take advantage and do as much as I can. Not a lot of relaxing during nap times. So first thing I usually do is I go in and I clean up the kitchen and get it back to where it was before I came in and wrecked it. There's always laundry to be done, and on this particular morning I am folding my cloth diapers that just came out of the dryer. Aside from housework, I'm always trying to keep up with my presence on social media, on YouTube, so nap times are often reserved for doing these things.
What are you doing?
this point of the day, our morning is pretty much over. So usually we pack a bag and we run some errands and just try to be productive for the rest of the day. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. I do a lot of DIY, home, lifestyle, macrame, all kinds of stuff. So if you're into any of that, please make sure you stick around and make sure you're on for notifications. I will see you guys next time.